Imagine a world where marine technology is fully autonomous, inexpensive, and environmentally friendly. A world with Clearbot. Clearbot offers an innovative solution that combines AI technology and autonomous capabilities for three main purposes: pollution recovery, surveillance and rescue, cargo delivery. We want a solar-powered robot to replace gasoline-fueled manual boats. Equipped with advanced sensors and a machine learning algorithm, the boats can categorize and classify the types of waste collected. By using Clearbot, you can reduce your carbon emissions by up to 19.66 tons of CO2 per year per Clearbot. Our robots can operate without the need for manual labor, saving you costs on personnel, equipment, as well as other resources. Started in 2019 at the University of Hong Kong, we have now gained the trust of partners around the world, such as Microsoft, Razer, as well as many more. Clearbot has also been awarded by several prestigious organizations. By investing in Clearbot, you're not only supporting a pioneering technology, but also contributing to a cleaner and more sustainable future. Together, we can make a real difference by decarbonizing the ocean and rebuilding the relationship humanity has with water.